Hi everyone, welcome back to Kids Colorful Kingdom. Today we're going to have so much fun using Play-Doh foam to shape numbers and learn to count all the way to 10. Let's start with our blue Play-Doh foam, and we'll start with the number 1. Here's number 1. The next number is 2. Let's use our orange Play-Doh foam for number 2. Here's number 2. What number comes next? 3. Let's use our pink Play-Doh foam for number 3. Here's number 3. Next we need the number 4. Let's use our yellow Play-Doh foam for number 4. Here's number 4. Now we need the number 5. Let's use our lime green for number 5. Let's count the numbers we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we need to go all the way up to 10. Let's use our purple Play-Doh foam for number 6. And here's our number 6. Let's use our yellow for number 7. Here's our number 7. Let's use our blue Play-Doh foam for number 8. Here's number 8. Let's use our pink for number 9. Here's number 9. Let's use our orange to create our 0. This will be part of our 10. Here's number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job! Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job counting with me today. I had such a good time learning our numbers 1 to 10. Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Colorful Kingdom for more learning fun. We'll see you on the next video. Bye!